Hi, my name is Pamela Moore, and I am a doctoral student at California Intercontinental University. This presentation will review the case Making the Problem Worse as it should be presented to managers at Springfield General Hospital. I will start with an overview of the problem, followed by issues encountered with the new program, and finally, briefly mention the change implementation process. Springfield General Hospital recently adopted new software called Computerized Physician Order Entry, or CPOE, technology. The institution has been experiencing problems with prescription errors, poor drug symptom tracking, and confusion over medications with the same titles. CPOE follows several technical guidelines to ascertain the safety and accuracy of drugs administered in the hospital. The new technology was meant to address adverse drug events, but as we will see initially, it caused more problems than it solved. The change implementation plan for Springfield General Hospital requires both software and organizational changes. Now, let's look at some of the issues. With respect to the software, there were information errors associated with poor fragmentation of the medication system. According to Koppel, the information contained on CPOE concerning dosage is based on the pharmacy's retailing information and not on clinical guidelines. The results from the technology implementation process, however, are very disappointing. For one, the system is recording and giving inaccurate dosage information. Secondly, there are discontinuation failures where modify and cancel orders appear on the same screen. The lack of poor computer interface is the reason behind the discontinuation failures. Lastly, there is increased patient confusion as information on patient files is put close together with similar names and uses a small font. Another technical fault is the lack of procedural link prescriptions to ensure each medication is connected to a medical test. Patient confusion denotes the presence of human-machine interface problems. The use of small fonts and the same colors increases the probability of selecting the wrong drugs or patient files. The incidence of patients receiving the wrong medication or dosage amount may be associated with the lack of clear system log-on and log-off gateways. In order for technology to drive change at Springfield, the transition and implementation needs to be smooth. Human resources should collect information concerning employee issues while using the system, as well as document and report the information to analytics for proactive application. The high number of errors makes it evident that the staff did not receive adequate training on how to use the system. Each staff member should undergo a minimum of 4-hour training sessions on how to use the new program. The training session should act as an opportunity to identify shared problems, offer input on the redesign, and assess the quality and functionality of the new system. The assessment should also ascertain that all users are documenting their patient information, medical procedures, and employee relations. Subsequent teams during a quarterly review can help identify shared problems in using the system while also allowing employees to pose questions concerning the new technology. All of this should serve as a way for employees to recommit and recognize staff members who are proactive and open to change. Now, I have just told you the issues concerning the new software CPOE at Springfield Hospital. I also told you about some of the issues and the change implementation process. Are there any questions?